They say Hope Uzodinma don import foreign expertise to help am to fight for this election. Oh, no be small thing. As we dey talk right now, they say Hope Uzodinma don still come outside say make dem ignore wetin IPOB dey talk, say na im dey stop the release of Nnamdi Kanu. And that one no do. Now they say that unknown people don kpai one girl, carry am go put for dustbin for inside Owerri. Things dey happen. Hello my wonderful people, go find out how this thing take happen. Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time when they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Ebeni Kwezioku. And no say na your first time, may you try to follow this page and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for a quick update as it dey hot. May we quickly jump inside, go see wetin dey happen today. Oh, as it dey hot. They say that the governor Hope Uzodinma have denied of being stopping the release of the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu. Let's see how it take talk am. He say ignore PDP black men that I am blocking release of IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu. Governor Hope Uzodinma tell Imo State people, no be small thing. As we dey talk that one, PM wey be Simon Ekwa don still come aside, come talk say that Hope Uzodinma don go import people, foreign powers, make dem come help am, come fight for this election wey wan happen, because Hope Uzodinma wan win the election by all means. And as e dey hot, we are going to bring this video show you where Hope Uzodinma dey talk say you see this election, say he no go lose am, say he must remain in power. We go play the video, make you watch before we come back and continue.
APC non a governor, APC non a president, APC non a local government. Kedu ihe ọzọ na-ekwe? Adị nnọkọ onye ga-eme ntawa ahụ ile tacha Chineke ya ihe mmadụ anatala emi ọ eziokwu. Elekwere ego ya ahụ ga-esi eme. Nwa nke Chukwu nyere ma mejisi ike ha.
Yeah, my wonderful people, no be small thing, no. As we dey talk that one, now our brother wey be Nkwa come still bring update to come. He said this one dey happen for Owerri. He said that unknown people don kpai one young girl, come carry am, come carry him body, come keep for inside the place where they call dustbin. And this one shock me. I no know wetin happen for there, but we go still bring you the video. May you hear am direct from this our brother Matt. Watch the video.
Ihe na-emekwe. Ana asịkwa na ụmụ nwaanyị zukwenu n'ike na o nwere ka ọ dị. Mgbe otu nwa agbọghọ bịa sirila na n'otu esi were mmadụ tinye na dustbin ebe a na-ekpofu ahịhịa. A na-asị zukwenu n'ike mba, a na-epiogharị epioro ebe ị na-eje visit somebody that you don't know. Ịhụ mmadụ na Facebook pịam ije visit ye, ịhụ na Instagram pịam ije visit ye, ịhụ na Twitter pịam ije visit ye, ịhụ na you know visit somebody that you don't know. Because I'm not na this girl no here now. No mo onye ofuma and the onye parents ya mo onye ofuma umunne amara and the friends ya mara onye amere onye ogara na nke ihe aka hime. Zukwenu n'ike mba. Ana emegharị hook up. Ide onye gwi nwanya kpọọ gị na phone sị gị nna gị bịa na enwere ndị ga-enye gị 50,000 gị gbara je. When that guy, I got when the guy sit program, I get you 100,000. Get what I got. You know? Eri chakwa ge eri egi. As in the eri endoke get one when there. Then one bogo be mad. Me me dustbin. A full-fledged young lady. Me me dustbin. My God. Because the police. In the House of the Ministry for Environment, in the Entraco, in the Kerenda Nebu Fire, Iswama, because Russiano now, I hear Irete market, Russian in Irete market, now, Russian in Irete market, now, Jen Kunubu Ozuma, Jen Kunubu Ozuma Bobia non a dustbin, non a Jesus Christ. Biko ndị swama Ministry of Health, Ministry of Environment, Entraco, OCDA, ndị police biko rush anọ na dosbin anọ kpọmkwem n'ahịa Irete Owerri West unu mee evacuate the corpse of this nwa agbọghọbịa nọ n'ime dustbin. Hi! Oh God, ụmụ nwaanyị zukwenu n'ike na zukwenu n'ike. Asịkwa agala ahụ mmadụ mana ị na-agala gị kpọọ somebody si ya lekwa ebe m na-aga. Lekwa ebe m na-aga. Ọ bụrụ a guy mara gị na ya nwere something doing. Ịgwa mma gị gwa mpa gị gwa ụmụnne gị adịkwa ama ama. Ọ bụrụ na onwe ihe ọjọọ ị ga-ahụkwa enyi gị nwoke ma ọ ị ga-ahụ di gị ma onye chọrọ ịlụ gịnị ma ọ ị ga-ahụ mmadụ. Mana gwa mmadụ, tell your parents, tell your friends. Adị ama ma ụdịrị ha merenụ. Lenu nwaanyị mmadụ, lenu agbọghọbịa mmadụ, full-fledged agbọghọbịa, ihe niile juru n'ahụ. Lenu ebe a dọnyere ya la dustbin. Lenu ebe a dọnyere ya na dustbin. Hi! Biko ndị isuwa ma rush anọ na this ihe disposal this thing nọ na ahịa Irete biko no rush anọ ebe ahụ now rush now that thing ebidolo okowule and oshiwele ishi biko maka ahụike ndị mmadụ na-agafe agafe. Thank you.
My people, wetin dey happen these days, the thing tire everybody. You see that thing na person wey tell him mama or tell him papa say I don comot o, or wey also tell him friends say he don comot, na e come end for inside that place as we dey talk now. Things dey happen for the country wey we dey inside. Abeg make una help share this video so that people wey dey for Owerri go dey call their own people make they check whether they dey okay. Nobody know who be that person wey be that. So abeg share this video before they go carry am comot, because they no dey like make you spray something wey go help. Anything wey you talk, Facebook go carry their wahala come. So share the video so that other people go still see am. Make they rush for inside that place, go check whether na their own personal. As we dey talk that one dey go, we still get the information coming from PM wey be Simon Ekpa, Biafra government in exile. He said that in the next few days, Imo State will be under attack by the Nigeria Islamic terrorists, government and Hope Uzodinma. The Biafra Liberation Army has the mandate to protect every community in Imo State in order to achieve this. Say the Biafra people go take the instruction wey go come from them. Be smart, this na wetin dey happen for Imo State as we dey talk. I also go ahead and say that over 15th Saudi Arab missionaries, which is the soldier, say these people now don enter Imo State to fight for Hope Uzodinma. He also said that Biafra Liberation Army can bring them down as well. This is now wetin dey happen, how they bring come give una. So I beg, try to share this video so that other people go know wetin dey go on for this place where we dey, where they call Imo State. No be small thing o. Okay, my people, we go quickly see you for the next update. Make you try to share the video so that people will get that person go find am and also know wetin dey go on for the countryside. Okay, now we'll quickly see you.